Write any three parameters suggested by Justice Mohan in the case Domestic Woman Working Women's Group versus Union of India. The parameters are: the complainants of sexual assault should be provided with legal representation. Legal assistance will have to be provided at the police station as well as in the view of the distressed state of mind of the victim. A criminal injuries compensation board should be set up. The victim's advocate should not only assist her in filing the complaint but also guide her in getting other kinds of assistance like medical treatment, psychiatric treatment, consultation, etc. So these are the parameters which are suggested by Justice Mohan in the case Domestic Working Women's Group versus Union of India. Causes of Ganga pollution. Causes of Ganga pollution river are: near Kanpur there were 73 tanneries which were discharging 274.50 million liters per day of their untreated trade influents in the river Ganga. Then in Kolkata there were 550 tanneries. Those were polluting the river Ganga. The Water Pollution Board has not paid proper attention towards this matter. Then character of Saint Joan. She was a witty, intelligent and a brave girl. She was a truly saint. She always followed truth. She was a real patriotic. She sacrificed her life for the nation. She was known as the Joan of Arc. She has established her superiority in terms of military tactics and strategy. Joan's basic honesty and her innocence shines throughout the play. Now the mini right character. Always the question is asked on the character sketch. So first we have seen the character sketch of Saint John. Now it's Minnie Wright. Minnie Wright is the wife of Mr. Wright. She used to be cheerful, jolly and happy girl, a social butterfly before marriage. But after her marriage, all were reversed. Her unhappy marriage with the John Wright destroyed her. Then she becomes quite sad, unhappy and an isolated person. After marriage, she was wearing torn and dull clothes and no food to eat. What is the allegation against George Simon and what would be the result of it? Allegation against George Simon was of a framed up an alibi, and this will definitely be a danger for his disbarment, and another charge was of subornation of perjury. Two charges were there. First is framed up of an alibi and second is the subornation of perjury. So the result of this that it would lead to disbarment and will end his professional career and reputation. Framed up means conspiracy. It is a situation where someone pretends that as an innocent person has committed a crime by deliberately lying or inventing evidence. Example, he was innocent and the victim of a frame up. And the meaning of perjury means the offense of willfully telling an untruth or making a misrepresentation under oath.